Hey, this is Will with Agri Drones. Today we're going to show you a quick video on the HD408 auto steer system, how to do quick calibration. So this will be an essential step prior to activating auto steering on this unit. So first step, there's a couple things you need to have completed before you can do this process. So over here on the monitor, first off, as you can see, we're already connected to a correction source. But what you'll need to do is go up here to this top left tab and either put in a cores network, which is what we're using right now, or go to auto search and you'll press auto search, and you'll choose a PPP GNSS source. So you'll need either one of those, and you'll need to have several satellites connected, and in addition, the RTK needs to be fixed. So you may have to wait 10 to 12 minutes, let the tractor sit in one spot, kind of figure out where it is, especially if you're using the GNSS source. So once you have that completed and the RTK state says fixed, what you want to do to start the calibration is you go down here to settings, you go to quick calibration right here, and what you want to do, single antenna, which is all that comes in this package, so you press next step there. Machinery parameters, you will have measured all of these while you're setting up the unit. So after you've attached everything to the roof, as you watch the installation video, get out a tape measure and measure all of your variables here, put all of those in. If you are using the gyro, select gyro up or down, however you have it oriented on down by the wheel. If you're not using a gyro, which in this case we're not, make sure you select none WAS. That's very important for the next step for the calibration. Then once you have those in, press next step. So for control mode selection, we just have ours in general mode. It doesn't really matter for the next step, so you can choose one of those two. For the steering parts choice, the motor that comes in this kit is Smart Motor 5, so make sure you select Smart Motor 5. Now here for the calibration, we're going to start up the tractor, and then the auto steering is going to conduct a test. So here on the next page, it's going to prompt us to find flat ground. So you need to be in an open area to test this. It's going to do a little back and forth, kind of calibrate the motor, figure out where it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start moving, and then I'm going to press start auto steering, and you'll notice the tractor will start doing a little back and forth, like I said, and start learning where it is. All right, so once that says it's completed, you'll see the green dot there. You're going to press next step. This may look a little different for you if you are using the gyro and you selected that in a previous tab. If you are using the gyro, you won't have to complete the step I just did. It'll just take you straight to here. So what we're going to do, you need a large flat area, flat ground, just like the previous step. We're going to press start calibration here. This may take a minute or two for everything to restart. So now, as you can see, the system is restarted. So what it's going to want me to do is drive in a straight line at 2 to 3 kilometers an hour while it's auto steering. So I'm going to press start auto steering here. And you notice it's probably going to do some S back and forth. It's just trying to learn where it is. It might be a little jittery while it's trying to do this. All right, now I'm going to turn back around, get on the B point here, and then head back towards A, and it's going to calibrate going that direction also. And I'm manually driving here. It's not auto steering. So I'm going to get back on that point for B. I'm going to go a little bit slower. And then we're going to start going. Press start auto steering. And it's going to do some S curves here. It's part of the calibration. And then you can see on the screen here, it says parameter verification successful. So then you're just going to click done. And you can back out of there. And then press up here, and that'll bring up your map. And then come down here, you can start some guidelines if you want. So I can set an A point. Drive a little bit, set a B point, and click out of that. I'll make my lines here. I'm just going to get back on my line before I start, and then I can go down here, click start auto steering. And now we have an A-B line. It's a pretty simple process. We'll have another video coming out that shows some parameters you might want to change, but it's pretty easy to do to get you going there, and then you'll be making straight lines in no time. Let us know if you have any questions.